Right now, I'm in what will be a new bedroom for their daughter. We're having to move their electrical panel from its existing location to a new location to accommodate some cabinetry that we've designed. Let's take a look around and see what else is going on. Okay, so we are now in the new bathroom that we have designed and built out, and we're just waiting to get inspections, and then we'll start drywalling in, I think, 2 weeks from today. We really had to be thoughtful in here and make sure that we thought about this bulkhead and how everything else would work in here. So we've got the toilet over here, which will be underneath the bulkhead, so not going to bang your head. The sinks, plural, 2 of them here, and still plenty of space between the vanity and the tub, which we've created a little alcove in here. The reason why the tub isn't at the end of the bathroom is because we've created a closet for this gym space in the room next door. This will be their new future mudroom. Behind me, the door coming in here doesn't exist yet, but it will. This will have their laundry facilities over here. This is where the old electrical panel was. There will be a sink here, which does not like to play with an electrical panel, hence why we've moved it into the room next door. There will be a bench with lockers on this side, and behind to the right of the camera roughly will be another bench. It's going to be a great window around the corner over here that's going to allow a ton of natural light to come into this space and make it feel really welcoming. All right, and this finally is the new family room. In here, we are working, you can see one of our most reliable trade partners, Maxwell Fireplace, is in here, getting a new fireplace ready to go in here. What brand is this thing again? Regency Fireplace, hashtag Regency. Over here, there'll be a desk for people to do studious things, hopefully. Fireplace here, flanking shelving, glorious, nice space and sitting for everybody to hang out and watch a movie or just have friends over. It's going to be a great space for this family. Behind me is a window, and then you can't see, it's off camera, is a door and lots of natural light. There will be so much natural light in this space. It is going to be glorious. Can't wait to show you the updates. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.